$3,005 or 5 million naira or more, and you're thinking of profitable manufacturing business idea you want to go venture into, then this video will eventually change your life. Usually, you don't have to have a big manufacturing company to actually make profit in this era in which we are in. All you need is the right manufacturing idea and the right setup, then you are good to go. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 profitable manufacturing businesses that you can start right now anywhere in Africa, anywhere in the world, and you make a lot of profit every month. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. The last 5 is one with the most underrated gold mine right now as I'm talking to you. Then the number 1 on our list is not that one than the pure water production. So with your pure water production, pure water business is one of the most lucrative business right now, with little capital as high as $3,005 or 5 million naira or more, that you can actually start and make a lot of profit right now. So it's an evergreen business. It has stood the test of time. People drink water every day for their events. As long as life exists, people will always be demanding for water. And for those of you in city and the places where we have a lot of people like Lagos, Ibadan, Port Harcourt, Abuja, or any country it might be, as long as we have a large number of people there, pure water business is a gold mine that you actually need to actually venture into, and you can make a lot of profit depending on how far you can actually network and actually scale your business. You can actually make profit starting for like 1 million naira monthly. That is just the base of how much you can actually make in pure water business. As a matter of fact, in pure water business, you don't need a big raw material. As long as you set up the business, all you actually need to be doing is to get the nylon, the packaging nylon, then every day you make your money. It's a lucrative business that will never be out of fashion. And for you, if you want to actually start this business, what you actually need is a sealing machine, then the water treatment plant, you need a generator, then packaging material. So you're good to go. So in our subsequent video, we're going to discuss everything you actually need in pure water business. And make sure you subscribe to this video so that you get more updates as we drop the processes by which you can actually use to get this water business to start. Then the secret in this thing, in this water business, is the clean water, group branding, and consistency. Once people trust your brand, your product, you will not run out of customers. As long as you have good packaging and you are able to launch it to the market, rest assured that you are going to make a lot of money. Then the second on our list is soap production. Before in this soap production, there are different kind of mindset. Some people are producing soap just to sell directly to the final consumer. This is not the kind of orientation we want to have. The kind of orientation is that you produce, then you supply distributors, you supply to wholesalers. That is actually how to leverage and actually make a lot of money in soap making business. And when you're talking about soap making, we're talking about bathing soap, detergent, a whole lot of bar soap, a lot of soap making, something that with as low as $3,005 or 5 million naira or less, you can actually get started in soap making business. The profit margin is sweet, and you can make as high as $1,000 monthly, depending on how you actually scale this business. So the basic thing you actually need is mixing machine, packaging container, chemicals, and branding material. So people wash every day, and that means repeated customers. Start small, package it well, and watch your brand grow fast. Like I said, target wholesalers, target distributors, large distributors. If your packaging is okay and you have a very good product, up you go. Then the third on our list is nylon bag production. This is another manufacturing business that is actually booming. And for you to actually get started, look at this machine. That is the most important machine you actually need to get. With $3,005 or more, you can actually get this machine and start your nylon bag production business. So it's a big win if you want to supply factory. You can supply factory. Think of how many companies that need nylon packaging bags, and for their grocery, you go to the market, you need nylon to package different categories of food packaging that are being used. Nylon usage is on daily use. You know, all those small retailers, they need nylon to package everything. So if you go into this business, I bet you are going to make a whole lot of money. You are going to make a whole lot of money. And when you are producing, you are supplying distributors, you are supplying wholesalers, you are going to make sure that you make a whole lot of money. You get the point. Have this business mindset of targeting wholesalers, not final consumer. When you target wholesalers, you're going to make a whole lot of money. Then the fourth on our list is snacks and bread production. So with as high as $3,005 or 5 million naira, you can actually start this business. People eat bread every day. Snacks production, what you actually need in snack production is good packaging. The taste must be good. Then you have to package it well. You can get packaging machine to package your snacks in a very attractive way. Most especially those of you in the city center, you can actually make a lot of money from snacks. And the profit margin, depending on the scale at which you are producing, you can actually make as high as $1,000 monthly or more. That is just the kind of a starting point. So if you are very good and you package your product well, you can make even more. The profit margin depends solely on you. Then the last but not the least is Gari and food packaging. This is another business that you can actually not miss. It's underrated, but it's one of the most profitable business you can actually launch into with just $3,005. You get the point? So you can package palm oil, you can package snacks, you can package food packaging, like plantain chips. A lot of food you can actually process. You package them, then the market is actually waiting for you to patronize you. So make sure you actually get this thing done. The gari, beans flour, pap, the spices, pepper. Those are food packaging that actually you can actually get started with little capital, with less than $3,005 or 5 million naira. You can actually get started, like pepper or spices. Even with 1 million naira, you can actually get. So supermarkets love well packaged local products. So with proper branding, this business can fetch you as high as $1,000 plus every month. And you can actually also have the privilege of exporting to potential customer outside the country. Get the point? So packaging and good products actually matter. So we have seen it. 5 powerful manufacturing businesses you can actually start with $3,005 or 5 million naira or less. So the truth is, you need to take action. So don't wait for foreign investors. Become one yourself. Start small, stay consistent, then reinvest your profits onto your brand, grow bigger, that no one can actually look away from your brand. So do well to subscribe, like this video, share with others that want business ideas they can actually start with and start making profit. So we are going to be dropping a follow-up video on some of these manufacturing business ideas we've actually highlighted, listing out those machines and packaging machines that they actually need to get and to start production immediately. So do well to subscribe, like this video, and see you in our next video.